Guys, what is happening, and welcome back to a brand new video. So today you join me. This is going to be a bit of a different one, a bit of a weird one. Basically, long story short, my brother is going to get his car mapped. Unfortunately, I can't get the time off work, so I said to him, don't you dare go without my camera. So he come and pick my camera up in the morning, and he took it along with him. So hopefully today you're going to see the car get mapped, and you're going to see what it's actually like. So I think it's a bit of a handful anyway. So I'm hoping we're going to have good gains. I don't think it was, I think it was stage 1 before, but we couldn't get a dyno print out to see what kind of power it was. I would have said it would be around 350 brake personally. But yeah, so without further ado, I'll hand you over to my brother. I hope you enjoy the video. Comment, like, share, subscribe. If you want to see any more in the car, if you want to see a drive in the Cupra, please let me know. So yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.
Yes people, as you can see we're at Unicorn. The Cupra is inside. I'm videoing. Malcolm isn't here, he wasn't able to make it. So yeah, gonna bring you along and we're just gonna see what she makes. Cupra 280 Mark III, as you've seen in the previous videos. We've got 4-inch track slag downpipe, 3-inch Cobra system with just about box, Mount Tune X52 intake, MST, I think it's MST intake hose with integrated turbo elbow, NGK spark plugs. I'm missing something, am I? Obviously Wagner intercooler, which you can't forget about that because that was a bastard to fit. Yeah, so here we are, Unicorn, stage 2. Let's see what she makes. Getting strapped up. So they've done the first run. They're now unlocking the ECU. Takes 20 minutes, they said. So he's going to run. He's going to be in the car doing the runs, and then the other geezer in the office is going to be given the data, and then he's going to mess with it and stuff like that. So they've said it could take a couple of hours. First run, they've said it's not too bad, man. 372 brake and 370 foot-pounds of torque, which is pretty even and seems decent. So yeah, and that's obviously with stage 1 remap. The guy brought it off, done that, and obviously we've put the mods on, so it has bumped up that to 370. So probably around 350, 360, which is, you know, average, but these should be able to bump it up. So let's see, stage 2 incoming. So yeah, so far 404, 403. I think the guy's just tweaking it. He's only done one run at that 404, so see if he can make any more. Torque exactly the same, 404. So yeah, going well. We'll see what we get. So he's done 2 runs, we're just waiting around. I believe they're just tweaking it. They haven't added the pops and bangs overrun, which I've asked for. Hit or miss, it's switchable, so I can turn it off in comfort mode, and then Cupra and sport, I think they said it'll be on. So it's one of them. I've heard a few and they sound quite tinny and shit, but we'll see. It's one of them, innit? You gotta have pops and bangs, it's a bit more drama. So just waiting around and see what happens. So that's it done, is testing the overrun. So I believe this is what we are running now. Torque, the graph is looking pretty progressive, to be fair. Here we have the end figures. It's coming with 375, 400, 372, 373 foot-pounds, and then 415 foot-pounds of torque. So yeah, just adding overrun. So we'll see what that's like. Yeah, let's see if it makes a difference. Boom.
Guys, so I've literally just checked the footage over. I've just started like editing it, and to be fair, it's done a good video. Do you think we've seen the same? We're literally like, I'm just like 7 years older than him. What a wicked video. He's done a good job, to be fair, considering he hasn't had a camera for a while. Let me go out in the car, and I can honestly say what a difference it's made. I'm not too sure on when you get red line, it seems to like bog down when you change gear. But from stage 1 to stage 2, it has made a massive difference. The car is a proper handful. Like, you have to watch the road because you literally run out of road and you need brakes. So obviously that'll be a next video when we sort the brakes out, which is going to be good. Sorry about that. Yeah, I just want to say it's definitely a game changer. Like, stage 2 is chaos. Like, it's second gear isn't much hope. I'm not really. I think after I've had the Ziniestos for a bit, yes, they are like half the price of a PS4, but I don't think they're that amazing. So I probably would say my brother should try PS4s or Goodyear ELF ones next, because second gear is just, I don't think it really will put the power down, but second gear just doesn't want to know. So it's bone dry. There should be no problems there. I think it has got an E-diff, so I don't think it's full on LSD. But yeah, it's definitely a right handful, definitely a wicked car. I think Unicorn Performance was the tuner that did it. Obviously I ain't in the VAG shit, so I don't really know, but apparently they're quite big in the game, so yeah, they've done a good job on the car. It feels absolutely rapid. So yeah, I definitely would say I'd recommend them because they've done a cracking job. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe. If you want to see anything more on the Cupra, comment down below, let me know. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.